Data makes our modern world go round. But did you know that while it's a powerful asset, it's not used to its full potential? Recent research shared by Exploding Topics pointed out that we generate an estimated 403 exabytes per day. To visualize such a gargantuan size, a single exabyte is the size of the sun, while a gigabyte is the size of Earth. How could businesses ever hope to navigate and leverage such copious amounts of information? Enter artificial intelligence, a contemporary tool carving its place for the future. So, what is AI-ready data? Simply, this is cleaned, structured, enriched, and governed data that's ready to be utilized by artificial intelligence systems. This is an important distinction between raw, unrefined data, which wouldn't work well with AI. Next up, what are the key components of AI-ready data? The most fundamental factors to identify this kind of data are as follows. Is the data free of errors and inconsistencies? In other words, high quality? How about structured and labeled so that machines can interpret it? Is the data compliant with ethical, security, and privacy standards? What about integrated? Is the data you're working with unified across systems and enriched with metadata? If the answer is yes for all of these questions, then you've got AI-ready data. Now, if the data you're working with doesn't meet those requirements, how does Chay2 make data ready for AI? This process begins with a strategic data audit and proceeds into data cleansing, normalization, labeling, governance setup, and aligning the data architecture with AI workloads. How can IT leaders like Chay2 integrate AI-ready data strategies into existing data systems? This is achieved by connecting into your CRMs, ERPs, data lakes, and warehouses to align AI readiness initiatives with existing data governance and analytics frameworks. Now, which industries benefit most from AI-ready data? Essentially, all industries that run on data can benefit from it. However, industries such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, retail, energy, transportation, and logistics could especially benefit from it. So, what should you look for when choosing an AI data solutions provider? When choosing a provider, you should remember SCR, scalable, compliant, and results-driven. The provider's expertise should be across sectors, they should be collaborative, and they should use cutting-edge tools as well, all of which are qualities Chay2 exhibits. We've come a long way with technology. Simultaneously, the amount of information that we have to preserve, study, and leverage to make decisions has increased tenfold. With such transformative possibilities, key insights are just waiting to be discovered. If you're ready to turn your data from a static record into a living, breathing strategic asset, then Chay2 is ready to walk with you on that venture. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more about other cutting-edge advancements? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in business technology solutions.